how to create a Facebook group for your neighborhood. In order to do that, head over right here. There are three lines. Then click on this group option. From there, click on this create group and then just rename your group. For example, like, let's put in here homeowners association. Choose the privacy. Just choose private right here. Then done. Now click on this create group. Then after you have done that, this will create the group for you. And then in here, you can see the next page. So you can invite people on the group that you have created right here. But you need to make sure that they're actually on your neighborhood in order to not bypass any rules. Now click on next. Then you can add your cover photo as well. Then click on next right there. Then describe your group. Then after you have done that, you can create a welcome post. Once you're done with that, you can click on done and then you should be able to see this. That's how you create a Facebook group for your neighborhood. Hope we help.